guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm JTR.Beauty, aka Jada. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Go ahead, I will wait for you, alright? So, we're all sitting here waiting for you to hit that red subscribe button, so. You hit it right. Alright, thanks. Alright, so it is 2018, guys. So, I decided to start off the year by doing this New Year's makeup look for you guys. And I really don't have much else to say. So if you like this look, please be sure to keep watching this video. And let's get to it. Okay, so if you are new here, you probably don't know this, but I do not like to use foundation. I have foundation, I have good foundation, which basically waste of money, but I just don't like to use it just for the fact that it irritates my skin, makes it itch, and usually by the end of the night I will be broken out all over in my face. So foundation is kind of just like a no for me. Instead, I just kind of do basically highlight and contour and move on with everything else. And usually by the end, it looks like I'm wearing foundation, so it's whatever. Okay, so the first thing that I will be doing is priming my face with the e.l.f. Face Poreless Primer. Okay, so now that my face is primed, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. I mean, you can just never really go wrong with these things. So I'm going to be using this to basically get all my dark circles and dark spots. Okay, so now with a damp beauty blender, I will be blending this out. Now that we are corrected out, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee to highlight my face. Basically, go ham, okay? Now that I'm ugly, let's go ahead and blend this out with a damp beauty blender. Looking dead and lifeless, let's look even more dead and lifeless by putting some setting powder on my highlight. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so while I'm baking here, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. So now that we're mostly ghostly with eyebrows, let's make ourselves even more ghostlier by priming our eyes back with that toffee. Ooh. And go ahead and blend that out. Did I mention to you guys that I was sick? Which is why I probably sound nasally in most of these videos. Alright, so yeah, now we're looking like Casper, but we're gonna have to add some color going in with my all-time favorite cream highlight and contour palette by NYX or NYX, however you like to say it, using this dark contour color. Lightly contour your nose. That is because I picked pimples. This happens because I picked pimples. I promised myself I'm not gonna do it again, but I always end up doing it. Just don't be like me. Alright, so now it's time for the most fun part of all of this makeup, which are the eyes. So, for this New Year's look that we're gonna go for, I want to be extravagant as I can be out there, honey. I want to do the most because I am the most, okay? So to start off this look, I'm going to be going into the Tarte's Pro palette in with the shade Whimsy to be as that kind of transition color and get above the crease. Okay, so now going in with the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and going in with the shade Fudge right here and basically applying it right in the crease. Alright, and then we're going back into the Tarte's Pro palette using the shade Smoked right here, which is that darker brown, just to deepen that crease. So I'm gonna cut out my crease using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream in the shade L1 Neutral. Okay, so now that my crease is cut out, I'm going to go back into the Subculture palette and use Axis. That's gonna be the crease, but I'm gonna leave a little white line out, if you guys get what I'm saying here. Alright, so now it's glitter time. Say what? It's glitter time. So what? It's glitter time. You cannot go into a New Year's Eve party or any type of New Year's type of outing and not have glitter on your eyes, sweet peas. So I have these loose glitters that are like I really just got it at the beauty supply store. Not that much. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue. And this is basically like a greenish blue glitter color. Anyways, let's get to the magic. I call it magic because glitter is magic, don't you think? So let me go ahead and take my Color Wink It Felt Liner by Sephora waterproof black liner. So yeah, I did it. Wasn't as hard as I thought it'd be. Anyways, going back with more glitter. I'm going to be taking this silver glitter liner that I also got from the beauty supply store. I'm basically going to outline the white with it and then go under like that. So let's go ahead and get this top white part. So today I'm using my big girl lashes because it's New Year's Eve, why not? So I'm going to be taking these V-Lux by INV lashes that are like humongousaurus. But these are them and they are just so long and luscious and thick. Just like me. So now that the lashes are applied, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this nude eyeliner pencil and go ahead and go in underneath my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going in back with that Subculture palette using that same color that I used as the base for my glitter in the shade Axis. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes in this. Okay, and now I'm going back into the Tarte's Pro palette and back in with the color Whimsy, that orange color right there, and going ahead and kind of blending that Axis turquoise color out with this orange. Alright, now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline. Okay, so for my inner corners, I want to go into the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette and go in with the color High right here on the end and get my inner corners and highlight my brow bone. So now I'm going into the Stila Glitter and Glows and taking the shade Smoldering Saturn and hitting back at my inner corner. And just like that, the eyes are complete. Okay, so now for blush, I'm taking the MAC blush and the shade Ambering Rose. Okay, so it's time for a highlighter, and I think you guys can kind of get a feel if you watch my last video of what my now favorite highlighter is. It's gonna be the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I just think this highlighter is so stunning, and especially on my skin tone, and I just love how much glitter it gives off, and I think it's just perfect to bring this look together. Okay, so here for that highlight on my nose, I'm using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, going in with Candlelight, which I think is just beautiful, but you cannot use too much of these, okay? It's just a bad idea if you do, okay? A little bit, just, you know how they say in elementary school, just a dot, that's a lot. With these, just a dot is a lot. Now going back in with this little fan brush, using a different highlighter. It just goes from highlighter to highlighter to highlighter. And now I'm going in to the Naked Urban Decay Illuminated Highlighter in the shade Lit. Just taking that to get my Cupid's bow and my forehead and chin. Okay, now I'm just gonna set everything in with some setting spray. Let's just soak in all those chemicals. Okay, so for my lips, I will be using the ABH lip palette. Kinda just, I wanna create that ombre feel, so I'm going to be using lots of colors today. So for the first thing that I'm going to start off with is I'm going to go ahead and use this black here on my outer V of my lip. I don't know how to explain it, guys. You're just going to have to take my word for it or just watch me do it, okay? Now I'm going to take this deep burgundy color. I'm going to go ahead and mix the white, the black, and that burgundy color. And hopefully I'll get the color that I'm looking for. I'm actually really happy with the outcome of that color. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the middle. Oh my god, this is actually really nice. It came out perfectly. And that is our finished look. Alright, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And you can never go wrong on New Year's with some glitter, alright? It's glitter everywhere. It's that type of holiday, okay? Glitter, glitter, glitter everywhere. Glitter everywhere. That's not even a song. Anyways, I hope you guys have had a great New Year's. Go into the New Year's with goals and go into it wanting to complete those goals. Because if there's anything that I've learned is that you have to set goals in life and you have to go and reach those goals because you never know what might happen tomorrow. Once again, Happy New Year's. That's all I have to say. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.